And this is how you can make a nice graduation cap card to celebrate somebody that's graduating. So you're going to fold your paper into a perfect square. If it's already a perfect square, then that's fine. Now that you unfold it, you're going to go ahead and fold it in the opposite direction. Then you're going to fold it into a triangle, and you'll fold it one more time into another triangle. And then you unfold the entire thing. This is the main tricky part right here, because we're going to try to get some parts of the paper pushed in and some parts pushed out, so that we're left with two squares on the outside. And just tuck it all in there, and then we press it down flat. If there's any excess parts hanging out, we can always cut those down. And then it's time to glue some flaps together and leave two sides unglued, because that's where you could put your greeting. Or you can even put a paper clip with some money in there for a graduation present. I'm going to glue this down too. And I have a little excess paper right there hanging out. This part opens up just fine. I'm going to cut off that little edge. And now I take my excess black paper, and this is for the part that goes on the head. I'll glue that. And now I just cut off the excess, and it will look just like a little graduation cap. Now it's time to make the tassel. So take a long piece of string and wrap it around your fingers about 10 times. And then take another piece of string and tie a knot around the loops. Tie it very tight. This way none of the strings fall out. Next, you just take your scissors and cut through all of those loops. And if any of the strings are too long, you can just cut them right off to make them even. So that looks pretty good. Now I will tie a nice knot at the end of the string. I'm going to tie it a lot. This way it almost looks like a little tiny button. I'm using hot glue for this. This way it will glue on very good. If not, it'll be a while before it dries if I use regular glue. And I'm using a little gem on top. That's optional. You can also put a button or just leave it the way it was. And now it's time to make a little greeting for the inside of the card. I'm gonna go give this to my daughter. Here you go.
Wow, thank you. I like the back. Let's open it. 2020. Congratulations, you did it.
Yay, you did it.
Okay.